Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to create a recovery partition on Windows. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Look at your large partition, right-click on it, and select Shrink Volume. Shrink it by 1 GB. Now, I will open Command Prompt as an administrator. First, I need to check if WinRE is enabled using the command on the screen. As you can see, the status is disabled, so I don't need to use the disable command. Now, I'm entering Diskpart to work with the hard drive. I will display the list of hard drives available on my computer. As you can see, my computer only has a single hard drive, which is disk 0. I will select disk 0. Now, I will create a primary partition on the unallocated space I just shrunk. I'll format it as NTFS and label it Recovery. Now, I will set the Recovery Partition ID for this partition. Now, I will set the attributes to prevent it from being accidentally deleted. That's it. It's been successfully created. I will exit Diskpart and enable WinRE. If it says the WinRE image cannot be found, please follow these steps. Please prepare the ISO file of the Windows version you are currently using and install the 7-zip software. Right-click on the Windows ISO file and select Mount. Go to Sources folder. Find the install.vim file. Right-click on it, select 7-zip, and open the archive. Select any folder from 1 to 11. Go to Windows. System 32. Find the recovery folder and copy it to your desktop. Now, copy this recovery folder. Go to Windows, System 32, and paste it here. Now, I will open Command Prompt as an administrator. Enter the command to enable WinRE. I have successfully enabled WinRE. Now, I need to check the WinRE information. Everything is fine. WinRE has been enabled. Now, I will hold the Shift key and click Restart to boot into WinRE. You can see that all the WinRE selection tools are now fully available. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos about Windows. Have a wonderful day.